Service has issued Tornado Watch number 361, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Nebraska, Banner, Fox Butte, Cheyenne, Dawes, Kimball, Laurel, Scotts Bluff and Sioux, and Goshen County, Wyoming. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets.